ingakho futhi ngifuna ukugcizelela ukuthi ngiphoxekile uma ngabe ubaba omdala kangako njengoNdusi engena ko TV ezomemezela ezweni engudle imbuzi egudla iguma eqondise ingqo ukuthi uyangifuna ngicela ukubuza ukuthi baba uNdusi uma uthi uyangifuna shona njengamanje ukuthi uyangifuna hayi uhamba ukudla iguma hamba ungibalele listini yeyikhohlakali eyibulala izwe lo baba mkhulu mina ngingakaze ngebe ngisho ibini esikoleni.
To go there who are there and those who are planners and agitators on these matters. For instance, you have people that call themselves presidents. They call themselves addressing the nation. I've never seen a president that has not been elected who goes around addressing the nations in the hostel. And that person will have to really explain himself or herself as he moves around agitating people. And we are not going to allow to be a person unelected as he is, not a member of any leading structure and all that, going around addressing the nation.
Elima engashintshi ukwenza with immediate effect odabeni oluthinta ezobuhloli yichile likhulu kakhulu lesikubonayo ukuthi inhloli zaseNingizimu Afrika namaphoyisa aseNingizimu Afrika ahlonyekiswe ahambe efunana nomntwana omncane ongizwe obeyikhalela nje ukuthi kukhishwe ubaba umongameli former president ejele engena agenda engena lutho nahambe ningiguduza igoli lonke nithi ngiyafuneka nithi ngihambe ngiyoyinikela nithi ngenzeni ngikho ngizoba inhlekisa ningikhahlela egoli ungilimazile kakhulu emoyeni lokho. Emveni kwalokho nithi kunabantu abangemva kwami abangifandayo nabantu abathizeni ngifanda ubani mina isibindi ngazalwa naso neqiniso ngazalwa nalo mina ngiqambe mama mina angikwazi ukuthi ungiphembeza into isobala namanje siyakhala sithi khiphani ngqaba freeze uma nawo i-intelligent isebenzisa ama-state resources bezohamba bezofunana nomfana omncane imoto ezinhlanu eGold nama-veni awu-10 namanje la khona ifoni yami ihlala kuzukezwe wonke umuntu kuzukezwe wonke abantu ibleed la kusuke kunefoni yami khona izungezwe amaphoyisa ekubuza kale phansi ezathi ukuthi where is Ngigwe ngithunyelelwe abantu ezweni lami engathi khona into engangaheba ma-Afrika ngidumele kakhulu omnyama nomnyama balimali bodwa.